How to fix Discord here in audio. Today guys, I will show you the solution. How to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first now you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this go directly to apps. On apps, as you can see, we found all the applications that you have on your phone. So you will search just for Discord. And when you found Discord now, go directly to storage. On storage, click on clear data, click OK and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And don't forget the last things is to go into Play Store and updating your Discord again, and that's it. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, also subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.